Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can change your formation in eFootball. So it's pretty simple. For this you need to go on game plan, and from inside game plan you will see the option like your team's logo at the top left. Click on your team's logo. From over here click on this option called game plan list at the last. From over here you want to click on this option called create new. To change your formation you need to create a new formation. So click on create new. Once you click on create new you need to name this. So I'm going to name it something random and click on OK. Once I click on create, my new game plan will be created. Now once this is tick marked I need to click on confirm. Now once your new game plan is tick marked, go back. Once you go back, click on our manager's face at the top right and click on the option called change formation. Now from over here you can choose any formation you want. Once you choose the formation, it's going to show you formation changed. Once you do that, as you guys can see, your formation will be changed. That is how you guys can change your formation in eFootball. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.